Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Friday, December the 3rd, 2010. We had the good update yesterday, got right up near the 24 resistance area. And oh, by the way, these are market profiles. If you haven't seen these videos before, this is the profile from today, the regular trading hours only. This is what occurred overnight, and this is what occurred yesterday. So each market profile also has a corresponding volume profile to it. And so we were thinking that either the 18 or 14 area would be good support. The market overnight got down to 13. That's the overnight low right here. It had a nice high of 27 and change. Had a big sell-off when the news was released at 8:30 Eastern Time, and then the regular trading hours started right here, which is where the Globex session closed. So it had a bit of a boost right away, not a big one, but spent most of the day in a very tight, something like a 6.5 point range. So very quiet, and then by the end of the day, continued its upward ways and finished near its highs. So the fact that the market sold off in such a powerful way here after that news, and of course the news, when you take a look at the news itself, it's pretty bearish news. I mean, the unemployment rate is back up to 9.8%, and the number of jobless or new jobs was only in the 30,000. So, the economy is obviously still, struggling. And for the market not to reflect that, in other words, still showing, very much a bullish undertone, having that strong sell-off and absolutely no follow-through during the regular trading hours. It had an hour there from the time the news was released where it shot down, and it stopped in here, opened a little higher, and then continued to go up a little bit, and then even more late in the day. So I think that just really confirms the strength of the bullish undertone in the market. So we also use the profiles from the regular trading hours right here. As far as our trades were concerned, we had a couple of short trades here, as you can see. There's the down arrow there and there. And then we had long trades late in the day, as you can see here. So not this you can see our fill was right here, so it had a nice drop off. You can see this fill here, a bit of a drop off, not much, started to work its way up. This one actually made a new high for the day and then quickly reversed on a long. So depending on the aggressiveness of our individual members, based on the fact that the market did have a pretty good sell-off after that news, but was still holding, in a pretty good area of support. It would make taking these short trades somewhat precarious. So some of our traders would choose not to, because we are in an intraday up bias. And then, of course, getting long later in the day really obviously made a whole lot of sense because the market just did not have the ability to push lower. So all in all, it was an okay day trading. I think our software kind of did its job and really helped us as far as understanding what the market was really doing. So we're looking in the area of probably around 18, and then even at possibly back down to the 16 to 14 area of support. And we've still got this resistance area where we're hovering right now, but it's obviously a very weak resistance. So that's what we're looking at going into next week. So any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we'd be happy to show you the software in real time or answer any of your questions. So always enjoy getting your questions and comments, so don't hesitate in contacting us. So that'll be it for today. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.